In today's video, we're going to look at the overall market once again. And I'm going to be sharing with y'all some stocks to keep on watch for tomorrow. All right. So let's dive right into it right off the bat. We got the SPY over here. And things took a turn for the worse at the open. Like it was looking good over the weekend. And then this morning, everything just sold off for some reason. Again, if you want to check out the news, check out the news. But as of right now, things are looking, it's not looking too off from what I've drawn over here. I told you guys in yesterday's video that the market bottoms in a very choppy fashion. So let's move on to the 1 hour. So in a very choppy fashion. And obviously this low is not a higher low compared to the one before. But I do think that we're going to zigzag. So yes, it's looking bearish right now, but I think tomorrow will be green and we're gonna see another chop like right over here. Just shift everything to the right. Now, let's take a look at JD. Now this is JD. And JD was one of the stocks that I've mentioned yesterday, and it decided to play games again. All right, it's still chilling at $29 exactly, and there is a falling wedge on the charts, as you can see right here. All right, on the 1 hour. Let me go on to the 15. That way we get more candles. So we have a falling wedge on here, and it's cooking in here, which is good. All right, it's good. I still think that it can jump to $30 if it doesn't play around for another day, because the left shoulder is looking, the left shoulder is there. We got the left shoulder right here, and then we got the head, and then we got the right shoulder. But this might be really fast. I don't think it's, the markets could be generous for anybody who don't want to swing this overnight and have the stock open up right here and then immediately pop out the gates. All right, or it could be kind of ruthless and just jump, like immediately just jump up to $30 and then fade throughout the entire day. All right, but either way, I think the move is going to happen really soon. Again, the daily chart is still very oversold, and my thoughts and opinions on JD is not changing. All right, I'm not changing my mind on this one. Now, I want to go back to the SPY. I forgot to mention something. Another reason why I think that tomorrow might be green is because of this structure right here. All right, pay very close attention to this, because this looks, it looks fake to me. Like there has already been major downside for the past few weeks, and now that I see this and the fact that it's playing a whole lot of games over here, I was very suspicious about this thing in the initial breakdown. All right, and then it just started to play games again. This is not looking very convincing to me to be shorting the SPY. It really is not. And I think that there are some short sellers who probably took the bait and are shorting, like started shorting in that red box, looking for a move all the way down to like 422 or maybe even 421. And I don't like it because it's just not clean enough. And I think that tomorrow, if it opens higher, which I think it will, I think it will open up right here at like 428. And when it does, these individuals who are shorting the markets right here are going to panic. And when they panic, again, it's going to cause a massive move to the upside. And by to the upside, I'm talking a move from 428 all the way up to 432. Yeah. So I'm not bearish on the market. Again, this is going to be a very choppy market. And I would say day trading is more favored towards swing trading. But swing trading also could work. You just have to, in a choppy situation, you have to do the opposite of what you are naturally inclined to do. Like, you do not expect 2 straight green or 2 straight red days in a row. Like, you're gonna see a red day, like right now what we're seeing, it's a red candle. The next one is most likely gonna be green, where we We could even we could open here and then run, or we can make a massive jump to 432 and then sell off and close at 28, right? Either way, I think the price is gonna get higher tomorrow. So that's my thoughts on the SPY, and my thoughts on Westy and on JD. Now let's take a look at Apple. We still got time. Yeah, we got time. Let's check out Apple real quick. Now Apple, I want to share this one with you guys because Apple, it had a good day today. Like it's holding above 172.50. The previous level of supports is right here, all right? And every time it got to it, it's been bouncing. It's been bouncing here and bouncing here. It closed above 173 is a good sign for a bullish move tomorrow. Looking at it now, we're gonna zoom out. Looking at it now, this is looking more like a bull flag, where the flag is here, we break and then we retest and we close near or above 173 for a move all the way up towards like 176, maybe 177 for tomorrow. And also keep in mind that there is a gap to fill at 182. I'm not saying that we're gonna get there tomorrow. We could like the market could surprise us and we can see a huge green day tomorrow. I don't think so. I think it's gonna take a bit longer than that for us to get back to 182. So for tomorrow, watch for a move up to 176. Again, it has to close above 173, and the higher it closes, the better. All right. Now the next one, Disney, is what I've mentioned yesterday, and Disney is holding its own pretty well. I like it so far. Obviously, this is, again, I've mentioned previously, I know the beginning and I know the end. The middle is complicated, all right? And this one is a very complicated middle. And by middle, I'm talking about between here and like 183. The way it behaves there. It didn't just jump up immediately to go to 83. It took a sweet time, pissed a lot of people off, but it looks like it's going there. So I don't have a reason to change my mind on Disney. It's still very oversold and it's near the 2020 lows, and long-term investors are probably going crazy over this one because it's so undervalued. So watch this one for a long still to $83. All right, now let's see here. Oh, the last stock that we're gonna discuss today is Mara, and BTC had a jump overnight. And this one started off really strong and it started selling off throughout the remainder of the day. I think it's gonna close at 8.4 just to take care of this right here. All right, I think it already took care of it. No, it got like maybe 5 or 6 more sets to go. So I think it's gonna close at 8.48 before moving up again tomorrow. This one is gonna move up and retest 950. It might do so for several days before we can get into the 10s. So that's my thoughts on all of these stocks, and that is the end of the video. Again, do not forget to annihilate the like button. As always, don't forget to subscribe if you are new to the channel. I wanted to make a pre-market analysis video today, but I didn't get around to it, so I'm making this one and releasing it before the market closes for y'all. So again, to have early access to this, definitely become a channel member and click on morning videos. That's where I will release it. Now, to be part of a private Discord community, we get all of this information in real time as I see it. You can find that as the first link in the description of the video below. If you haven't followed me on social media yet, you can find me at NGumah, at Patternology Lab on Instagram and on Twitter. And lastly, to get some free stocks with Webull, you can use the third link in the description of the video below. Once again, ladies and gentlemen, my name is NGumah with Patternology Lab, where we trade patterns only. And I will see all of you in the next video.